This manual electricity generator consists of a bobbin made of an iron nail inserted through two thin full slices, within which thousands of tons of enameled copper wire is pulled. Electricity is produced by either speedily hitting the nail head with magnets or speedily detaching them by hand, such that the magnetic field intermittently interacts with the spooled core to induce electricity. The measurement of the produced voltage with a digital multimeter was occasionally over 2 volts, as emphasized several times, which was quite impressive for not requiring extremely high revolutions per minute (RPM) to achieve that, although fractions of a volt were often produced as well. Another such simple manual generators with fewer thousands of tons was used to intermittently light up a small bulb by manually hammering a magnet on nail head. 2 different gauges of enameled copper wire with diameters of 1.5 and 0.12 mm are shown here. Lower diameter wires allow you to compactly wind motors. This demonstrates how to use a nail inserted through thin piece of wood for making a bobbin to spool the copper wire on. A sandpaper removes enamel coating from tip before making connections to bulbs, multimeters, or other devices.
Thanks for watching, and always remember that